Good day everyone, this is RJ Escolania, a second year student taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and I am here to share my learnings during our Sustainable Tourism Seminar under Miss Hazel Tamaria Cabigayan's TPC 104 course. The seminar was led by Ms. Jessa Bandu, focusing on strategies for preserving cultural heritage in managing sustainable destinations and practices as implemented by NCIP. One of the first things I learned was about the ethnographic map of the Philippines. It shows how rich and diverse our culture is, with indigenous groups, each with unique languages, customs, and ways of life. In Caraga region, we have groups like Manobo, Mamanwa, and Higaunon, communities that live in a harmony with nature and uplift traditions that pass down through generations. I also learned about the ancestral domains, lands legally recognized as indigenous peoples' belonging. These places are not just land, they are sacred, tied to culture, identity, and survival. Some of the country's most beautiful destinations like Lake Cebu, Mount Apo, and the Ifugao rice terraces are located in these domains. As travelers, we have the responsibility to protect and respect these sacred places. Cultural heritage is not just about old structures, it includes traditional dances, crafts, food, beliefs, and stories that connect people to their past. The NCIP plays a key role by involving indigenous communities in tourism planning, protecting sacred sites, and educating both tourists and locals in sustainable practices. As a tourism student, I practice sustainable tourism by doing small things every day, like throwing my trash properly, bringing my own utensils, and using eco bags instead of plastic. These may seem like little things, but they help protect our environment and show respect to the places we visit. Being responsible even in simple ways is part of being a sustainable tourist. So that's it. This is my little contribution to sustainable tourism awareness, and I hope you learned something from me. Thank you and mabuhay!